Hey everybody, IIHS has new safety ratings out for the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Let's take a look at how this vehicle performed in the updated moderate overlap crash test. This is a 40-mile-per-hour frontal test with a 40% overlap with the crash barrier. Now the driver dummy up front looked pretty good and the structure held up really well with this vehicle, but where we saw downgrades was in the back seat. The second row dummy moved too close to the front seat back, and there were also risks of injury to the head or neck and the chest for that dummy. Also, the lap belt moved from the pelvis and into the abdomen, which can increase the risk of injury. Now, all of those things bring this vehicle's overall rating down to a marginal. In 2024, a Top Safety Pick Plus award requires an acceptable or good rating in that test, so unfortunately, the Santa Fe is disqualified, but it does perform quite well in our other safety tests, and it comes standard with acceptable rated headlights, so the Santa Fe does qualify for a Top Safety Pick. Now, if you want to learn more about the Santa Fe's performance or check ratings for other vehicles, head to IIHS.org, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow so you don't miss our content.